I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to the long and I'd already found my home.
Beautiful cliffs out here, though.
Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
It's a really big swell right here. Holy shit. This is incredible. Wow. She's rolling good. Before Amherst almost disappears, you know you're doing good. Just check and make sure no ships are going to run me over here. What a day. What a day. Time for me to head back. Eagle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Awesome. Lots of eagles around. Just a little disclaimer here. I don't recommend anybody paddle out in conditions like this, on coastline like this, by themselves. Traffic is pretty intense here. I think my biggest fear out here is getting shit on by a bird. There's so many. What a day. Holy shit! This is getting nuts. Holy shit! This is wild. Gotta calm down here, be a little more sensible. That's the coolest thing to say. Look at the plane. Go, go, go! Oh. There we go. Woo. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is massive. Huge, huge seas here. I love it. This is the shit I love paddling. This is my favorite. I don't know why. That was so much fun. Awesome. On the way back there, started to feel pretty fun. Started to loosen up and get my confidence back, which is great. It feels great to be able to play in that stuff. Anyway, I'll send you tomorrow, so we'll see what happens there.